Session 5, we're moving to focus on technology, demonstrating biomass technology deployment, and I'm delighted to welcome Akko, Rattink, International Sales Manager, apologies if I got your name wrong, from Cara Energy Systems. So Cara Energy Systems design and build advanced biomass energy systems that convert a wide range of biomass into sustainable heat, steam and electricity. And the company delivers fully customized turnkey solutions for various fuel types, including wood, oat husks and straw. And they have over a century of experience. The company is committed to high efficiency, reliability and low emissions energy solutions. So over to you for your presentation.